Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to tell you about a live stream that I'm going to be a part of, and that is at Newegg Studios Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to be doing a live stream, hosting it to talk about NVIDIA and all of their technology that goes into their laptops. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I myself use a lot of this technology, from NVIDIA broadcast to clean up my mic work when I'm doing live streams, and definitely so much acceleration technology that goes into a lot of my editing. So I can't wait to talk about this with an expert that actually is from NVIDIA that can tell me all the ins and outs that go to it. Try to gain some insight if I can, but the best part for you guys is about it that we are going to be giving away a laptop powered by NVIDIA. So that's going to be really cool. It's a Gigabyte Aero laptop. It's honestly better than my current laptop, so I'm a little bit jealous that you guys get a chance to win, but it should be a lot of fun. Definitely go ahead and join this. Again, that is going to be Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, live stream at Newegg Studios YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the link in the description down below so you can make sure to find it, and make sure to go ahead and check out everything we have to offer, and make sure to tell them YouTube Tech Guy sent you. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.